Time for a technical update on the equity markets. The Nifty opened on a positive note today, up 15 points. However, it could not sustain at higher levels. After the first couple of hours of the trading session, the Nifty started drifting lower, and once it closed below the 20-hour moving average, the selling pressure intensified, and ultimately the Nifty ended the day with a 43-point cut in today's trading session. The market, which was on the positive side in the early part of the trading session, turned negative and ended the day on a negative note. The market value was 554 advances to 984 declines, majorly on the back of small cap and mid cap indices, which closed in the negative today. From the Nifty 50 pack, Tata Motors, Reliance, HDFC Bank, ITC, ONGC, Tata Steel were some of the big losers. On the flip side, HDFC Limited, Dr. Reddy, L&T, HCL Tech, ICICI Bank were some of the stocks which closed with gains today. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you can observe that the Nifty has closed in the negative today. Now we have been observing this phenomenon of the Nifty opening on a higher note and thereafter trading sideways throughout the day. However, in today's trading session, the selling pressure was actually intensive, and it could not hold on to the crucial supports of the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages. However, it is also not below the previous swing low of 8320 on the downside. So all these factors keep us on the back foot, and thus we maintain a positive stance on Nifty in the coming trading sessions. The daily momentum indicator is having a negative crossover, which indicates that every rise should be sold into. However, the prices are not confirming that, because it is trading above the previous swing low of 8320. So once the swing low of 8320 is breached on the downside, then we can see further selling pressure in Nifty. So until that happens, until the low of 8320 is not breached on the downside, it is a very good possibility that the Nifty might just have bottomed out today, and it has formed a triangular pattern on the upside. Now this pattern could be a distribution pattern on the upside, which will only be confirmed in the coming trading sessions. Below 8320, the short-term bias for Nifty shall change to negative. So 8320 shall be used as a stop loss for all the long positions. On the hourly chart, we can observe that the selling pressure intensified once it closed below the 20-hour moving average. Then it took support around 8350, where the hourly lower Bollinger Band is placed, and bounced from there. However, it has closed below the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages, which is not a good sign. However, it is trading above 8320, which is the crucial swing low. So until 8320 is not breached on the downside, we maintain a positive stance on Nifty for a target of 8500 on the upside. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty similarly sold off today. However, some of the banking stocks like HDFC Bank and ICICI Bank closed with gains today. So there is a mix over there as well. State Bank of India closed in the negative. So there is a mix of there. On the Bank Nifty, we feel that one more leg on the upside shall be pending, and we expect that leg to form in the coming trading sessions. It could be possible that the Bank Nifty is forming an ending diagonal pattern, of which wave E on the upside is still pending. So one more leg, meaning that one more leg on the upside is still pending, and so we maintain a positive stance on Bank Nifty as well. So crucial supports for Bank Nifty are placed at 17,468 and 17,425. On the upside, crucial resistances are placed at 17,690 and 17,750. Now the supports and resistances are very close to each other because of the sideways nature of the Bank Nifty. We expect these levels could be the trend deciding factor for Bank Nifty in the coming trading session. So breach of this on either side will set the trend for Bank Nifty. So overall friends, our view on the Nifty and Bank Nifty still remain positive. Today we have seen a sharp sell-off in the indices. It is possible that the Nifty might have just topped out for the medium term. However, the confirmation of that will come only below 83.20 when 83.20 on the downside is breached. So until and unless that happens, we maintain a positive stance on Nifty for a target of 8500 on the upside. Crucial supports for Nifty are placed at 83.20 and 82.90. On the upside, crucial resistances are placed at 8410 and 84.55. So that's all for the day. Thank you.